Welcome to our new listing at the Cottages at Westside Terrace in Northwest Bend. This standalone condominium is warm and inviting and has a ton of charm. Let's go take a look. The open floor plan of this home feels airy and bright, with natural light streaming through large windows and skylights. A cozy loft overlooks a welcoming living area, while built-in bookshelves add character. The kitchen is simple and functional, and the lower level bedroom includes a quiet nook, perfect for reading or working. With good storage, a detached one-car garage, and extra parking, this home offers both convenience and style. Ideally located near restaurants, a bookstore, and a wine bar, it's a truly special place to call home. If you're looking for simple living in an excellent location, give us a call today for your private showing.